The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, anti-theft security system, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.